guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Chinelo, and yes, this is Chinelo's corner. So guys, I'm not recording myself today. Today I just want to make my niece's hair, and I want to make it a very simple one. Yeah, the hair is not that long, and you know she's still a kid, so I just want to make a simple one for her so she don't sit too long. And you know, kids, they hardly sit when they are making their hair, so I'll just make a quick one for her so she will look beautiful and neat when she will be resuming school on Monday. Yeah, so guys, that's it. So I'm going to take you through on how I made it and the simple hair that I want to make for her. She don't have much hair. Look at, there's no hair here, but we will just try and do something beautiful for her. I'm using wool. This wool is normally called baby wool, then yarn. Yeah, but they call it baby wool. It's popularly known as baby wool then, so I don't know now. So that's what I'll be using to make this hair for her. So like I said, it's a simple one. So I'll say, if you are new to my channel, a big welcome to you. Don't stop watching. Watch this video till the end, and if you enjoy watching, don't forget to subscribe, give my video a big thumbs up, share me out if you can, and comment in the comment section below what you think about the hair that I just made. I will not say I'm making, because you might have watched to the end before you have to give me your comment. And to my returning subscribers, I say a big thank you to you for always being there, for always coming back to watch my video and like and comment. So thank you very much. I love you guys. So let's continue as we make the hair. As you can see, guys, I said I'm making a very simple one, so I'm not making it too big. Just make the one that will be easy for me to make for her, so that she will stand up from here on time. You know, sometimes when you're making children's hair, they'll start sleeping. Sometimes some of the kids, they'll start crying. So it's better you just make a simple one for them, so that you don't stress them too much. And that's what I'm doing, guys. That's what I'm doing. Her hair is kind of natural, so I'll try to tuck in her hair into the wool. I tie the tip. Then after making, I'll just have to turn it a little so it will not start losing. There's no hair here, guys, but I'll just take from here and cover it up. Yeah, because if I should start making it, that it will be as if I'm even pulling it the more. So I'll take from the top, take from the part down, and I'll cover it up. You see guys? Guys, this is how I'll continue to make it till I finish the hair. I bet you to look beautiful. You don't have to make that baby sit too long. You don't have to make your girl sit too long while making her hair. Just give her a very simple one. Simple and beautiful one. And this can last her for like 3 weeks, because it's not all the time you should be keeping her down to be sit her down to be making her hair. So for like 3 weeks, you don't have to disturb her hair. They are still tender, so they don't need that stress on their hair. So guys, I assure you, 3 weeks. Depending on you, I would not like to be stressing my girl that much. So it's better you just give them this simple hair that looks beautiful and it lasts long. Yes guys. So your baby girl will not start crying or tell you that she's tired of sitting down. Even as it is, this is less than 1 hour and I've started getting the question of, is it finished? I started hearing, Auntie Chichi, is it finished? So you get what I'm trying to say. This is like less than 1 hour and this is what we got. So it's as simple as that. Don't have to stress yourself too much to make that hair that is just growing up. This is like the 3rd time I'm making her such a style and the hair is now coming up. The first time I made it this way, the hair was very short. Very short. So this is like the 3rd time I'm making it and there's a lot of improvement. So you don't have to start making their hair every week. What you have to do is that whenever you want to make her hair, you make sure you wash the hair very well and apply a good hair cream to the hair. That's what I did to this one. So yes guys, that's how it is. Like I said, we are almost done. We are almost done guys. Right here now, I'm done making the hair. So you can see this is the last one. So what I have to do now is to just burn the tip a little so you don't start losing, and then that will be it. So if you have watched up to this moment, give me a comment or leave me a comment in the comment section. Give me a big thumbs up, yeah, and share me out if you can guys. And if you are new to this channel, you have not subscribed to my channel, this is the right time for you to subscribe. Hit on that post notification bell, click on it so that whenever I post a new video, you will always be the first to be notified. Yeah, give me a big thumbs up. And yes, I thank you very much for watching. Thank you everyone for watching. I love you guys. I love you, love you, love you, love you, bye.